Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. Glad you could join me today. I'm going to just say that holiday season's got away from me. I have a few quick things that I wanted to finish up. Didn't get my journal done this week, but I'm thinking I'm going to work on it on the weekend. So if you're waiting for art journal Tuesday, I missed it because I just had to get out and get some shopping done. And I hope everybody else is not as behind as I am, because I am just behind. And so I have to go to work on Monday, and I was planning on making some tags for some of my work associates to give them so I would have them for Christmas. What this is, it's from the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree has all of these porcelain tags, and I saw them and I go, you know me, tag, I had to grab it. So when I grabbed it, I had a whole bunch of rub-ons. I had some Christmas rub-ons that I have been accumulating over the time. And so I decided that what if I use these rub-ons to make some items for my people at work. So what I did was I made a few. So I made that one. Let me get it right there it's right there so you can see it. So I made that one with the Christmas balls and everything on it. I made this one. Oh, I love this one. This one with the snowman, because you know how I love good snowman things. So I made that one with the snowman. Then I have this one with the snowman. And what I did on this one, I put on here, I had these flat back buttons of these candy canes, and I put that on there kind of to go with the candy cane down there to give the tag a little bit of dimension. Then for this one, this was bells, and so I used some Dollar Tree rub-on for that. Used some of the rub-ons I had there with the bells, put a present here, and then added these bells from the flat back buttons. So don't sleep on your rub-ons, because the rub-ons make excellent little gifts to give to your friends. And I'm going to do one really quick just to show you how quickly a gift can be made for your friends, and you'll be ready to just make it and give it to them. So peel off the back of your rub-on. Figure out where you want to place it. I want this right, I want it right there, like that. I'll seal it down a little bit. Seal it down a little bit. I think these poinsettias are just gorgeous. I think these rub-ons are just gorgeous. I can't remember where I got them, but I think they're Amazon. I think yeah, I'm sure they're Amazon, because I had them last year and I never got a chance to use them. So just rub your item on there really, really good, just to make sure you got a good seal on it. And you know, I had one of these and I washed it and it never peeled off. So as a Christmas item, this could be a very good, quick gift to give somebody. They could have it for a while. They could put it on their tree. Let me peel it up slowly, just to make sure I got all the pieces, because with the rub-ons, you really have to peel them up slowly. Rub a bit more to make sure you got it all down. Let's try it again. Okay, so that's good. That's down there good. That side's good. Let's go slow. There you go. There you go. And there you are. You have a lovely Christmas gift. Here, wash that little spot off. Find yourself a bit of ribbon or something like that. Put it through your hole here. And you got some beautiful Now you got a beautiful Christmas tag. You can take that, tie it into a bow if you want. I'm not the best bow tire, but you could tie it into a bow. Have a nice bow on it, whichever way you want to do with your thing on the top. But isn't that just a wonderful keepsake for someone? And what I did on these, I stamped them on the back with my handmade especially for you, so they'll know who it came from. And I'm all ready to just give them out. What I did then was I had a die in my stash that I got from, I think it was KS Crafts or something like that a while back. And I made these boxes to put my tag in. I'm going to put some shred in them and put some tag and put the tag in, kind of wrap it around a little, put it in a little bag and put it in there. And there I have the perfect last minute gift for my work associates. What do you think? If you were one of my work associates, would you want this for your Christmas gift from a work friend? Tell me what you think about this, and tell me if you have rub-ons and you were thinking of using them to give us a Christmas gift, because I'm so behind. I gotta get moving to give people there and have things for people's gifts. So tell me what you think about that. Thank you for joining me. I'll get back into my art journal thing, but I think the box came out really good, and I put this on it so that I can open up the box, so the person can open the box, slide things in it. I also, just so you'll know that I was into my box making, I also made some of the boxes in black with the Santa on it, and I used some, my favorite thing this year is rock candy, put some little glossy accents for his glasses, and this one's all ready for the ones for my people too. So tell me what you think. I'll talk to you all later. See you in the next video. It's going to be a busy week coming up for us all. Remember to be the reason somebody smiles. Also, be the reason that you smile, and take care of your health during this holiday season. Bye, y'all.